Have you ever sold at a loss, only to watch it skyrocket? It's not your fault, it's your brain. Crypto is a roller coaster of emotions. Prices soar, and we feel invincible. They crash, and we panic. But the real question is, why do we make such irrational decisions? We all know the golden rule: buy low, sell high. Yet, most of us do the opposite. Why? Because our brains are wired for survival, not for investing. In this video, we'll explore the psychological traps that lead to crypto panic, and more importantly, how to escape them. So grab a seat, because this might just save your portfolio. The problem starts with fear and greed. When prices are climbing, fear of missing out, or FOMO, kicks in. We see others making money, and we feel left behind. So we buy at the top, thinking it'll keep going up. Then comes the crash. Suddenly, our portfolio is down 30%. Panic sets in. We're terrified of losing everything, so we sell at a loss. And guess what? The market recovers, and we're left with nothing. This cycle repeats over and over, and we never learn. Why? Because our emotions overpower our logic. We're not thinking about long-term value, we're thinking about immediate pain. The pain of loss is twice as powerful as the pleasure of gain. It's called loss aversion, and it's killing our returns. But that's just the beginning. There's a whole army of cognitive biases working against us. Let's break them down. First, there's herd mentality. We're social creatures, and we look to others for cues on what's safe. When everyone is buying, we assume it must be smart. But in reality, when the herd is greedy, the top is near. When the herd is fearful, the bottom is near. So by following the crowd, we're guaranteed to buy high and sell low. Second, confirmation bias. We seek out information that confirms our beliefs. If we own Bitcoin, we read articles that say it's going to the moon. We ignore the warnings. This blinds us to risks and makes us overconfident. Third, overconfidence. After a few wins, we think we're geniuses. We take bigger risks, trade more frequently, and eventually get burned. And let's not forget the anchoring effect. We set a mental anchor, like Bitcoin was 60,000, so it's cheap at 40,000. But the price could go lower. We're anchored to the past, not the present. These biases are deeply ingrained in our psychology. They've helped us survive in the wild, but they're terrible for investing. The market is designed to exploit them. Whales and institutions use our emotional reactions to profit. They create panic to shake us out, and they create hype to lure us in. So how do we fight back? We need a strategy. The first step is awareness. Recognize these biases in yourself. When you feel the urge to buy because everyone else is, take a step back. Ask yourself, is this based on research or emotion? Create a plan. Set clear entry and exit points before you invest. Use stop-loss orders to automatically sell at a predetermined price, so you don't have to make emotional decisions in the heat of the moment. Second, dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum, invest a fixed amount regularly. This smooths out the volatility and reduces the impact of your emotions. Third, take a break. If you're feeling stressed, step away from the charts. Go for a walk, do something else. Distance gives you perspective. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Crypto is volatile, but historically, it has trended upward. Focus on the fundamentals, not the daily fluctuations. And finally, journal your trades. Write down why you bought or sold. Review your past decisions. Learn from your mistakes. This builds emotional discipline and helps you avoid repeating the same errors. So, can you break the cycle? Absolutely. It won't happen overnight, but with practice, you can train your brain to think like an investor, not a gambler. The key is to detach from the noise and stick to your strategy. Remember, the market is a transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. Don't be the impatient one. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. And share your biggest crypto mistake in the comments. Let's learn together. Until next time, stay rational and stay wealthy.